Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is part 5 of my herbal first aid kit video on what I include in my herbal first aid kit, and we've talked about different things such as creams and oils. We've talked about herbs, and I will include the whole playlist in the description box below, so if you have not yet checked that out, I highly recommend you to check out the whole playlist in order to get an overview of what are my top remedies that I've used in this part of my first aid kit. So when it comes to that, I'd like to recommend one thing when it comes to herbs. I've talked about different aspects such as creams and oils and essential oils. Now I would like to talk about herbs. What are the herbs that you should include in your first aid kit and why? Well, basically dried herbs. These are amazing because especially when you have them as a herbal tea bag, and I know that they can be quite expensive when you buy them in a tea bag set, but you can actually opt to purchase your own empty tea bag that is organic, that is environmental friendly. You can easily buy them from either Amazon, iHerb. You can get them from your holistic herbal store if they have some, and that way you'd be able to be the one who does your own herbal mixes. Just simply add in your dried herb or the herbal mix that you would like to use, and then make sure you kind of close that tea bag in whatever way it is possible depending on your brand. Have them handy. They're really important because they're not only important for to create herbal infusions when you really need some, they're important as well because they help with kind of if there's a need to wrap your whatever it is, your the wound or the sore with some herbal mixture. And I know that's not really used nowadays, but it's actually been traditionally thought of to be very antiseptic, to be very healthy for the body to apply the water from the infused herbs, that tea, that warm tea or that cold tea, onto specific areas when we need it. So I just use them personally. I'd use them for a herbal infusion, and the herbs that I would recommend is dried chamomile flowers. Peppermint leaves as well are amazing. Why? Because chamomile is very relaxing. Chamomile is very good for emotional upsets, nervous upsets, shock as well. Fennel is another great one. Fennel is really great for indigestion, and also lavender. If you tend to suffer from migraines, if you tend to suffer from nervous upsets, lavender can be a great dried herb that you can carry with you, both as a herbal infusion and also as a smell, for the scent, for the aroma, because just by smelling organic lavender flowers, it really helps to infuse that aroma, and it helps to relax you as well and de-stress you that way. So these were the herbs that I would recommend, starting with chamomile, peppermint, lavender and fennel. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you